Welcome back to the other videos guys. Today we will talk about aloe vera gel for skincare. However, I can give you some general tips on how to incorporate aloe vera gel into your skincare routine. 1. Cleanse your face. Start by thoroughly cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. 2. Apply aloe vera gel. Take a small amount of aloe vera gel and apply it to your face using clean fingertips or a cotton pad. Gently massage it into your skin in upward circular motions. 3. Let it absorb. Allow the aloe vera gel to absorb into your skin for a few minutes. This will give it time to moisturize and soothe your skin. 4. Follow with a moisturizer. If needed, you can apply a moisturizer on top of the aloe vera gel to lock in moisture and further hydrate your skin. 5. Repeat regularly. Incorporate aloe vera gel into your skincare routine on a regular basis to reap its benefits. You can use it in the morning or evening, or both, depending on your preference. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so it's essential to pay attention to how your skin reacts to aloe vera gel. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, discontinue use and consult with a dermatologist. Aloe vera is a natural ingredient that offers several benefits for skincare. Here are some of the benefits of using aloe vera. 1. Moisturizes the skin. Aloe vera gel is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that help hydrate and moisturize the skin. It can be particularly beneficial for dry or dehydrated skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. 2. Soothes irritation and inflammation. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm and soothe irritated or inflamed skin. It is often used to relieve sunburn, rashes, and other forms of skin irritation. 3. Helps with acne. Aloe vera contains antibacterial properties that can potentially help in treating acne. It can help reduce redness and inflammation associated with acne and promote healing of acne scars. 4. Anti-aging effects. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging. It may help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and promote a more youthful complexion. 5. Lightens dark spots and blemishes. Regular use of aloe vera gel may help fade dark spots, scars, and blemishes over time. It can also contribute to a more even skin tone. 6. Gentle exfoliation. Aloe vera gel can act as a mild exfoliator, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. This can result in a smoother and brighter complexion. Remember to perform a patch test before using aloe vera on your entire face, especially if you have sensitive skin. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a dermatologist. Here are a few DIY aloe vera skincare recipes you can try at home. 1. Aloe vera face mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This mask can help hydrate and brighten your skin. 2. Aloe vera and lemon toner. Mix equal parts of fresh aloe vera gel and lemon juice. Apply a small amount of the mixture onto a cotton pad and gently swipe it over your face after cleansing. This toner can help balance the pH of your skin and reduce excess oil. 3. Aloe vera and coconut oil moisturizer. Combine 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix well and apply a small amount to your skin after cleansing. This moisturizer can provide hydration and nourishment to your skin. 4. Aloe vera and sugar scrub. Mix 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin in circular motions to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. Rinse off with warm water and follow with a moisturizer. Remember to do a patch test before using these DIY recipes to ensure that you don't have any allergic reactions or sensitivities to the ingredients. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.